What do you like doing in your spare time? What do you like doing in your spare time? I like watching TV. I like listening to music. I like walking. I like jogging. I quite like cooking. I quite like playing chess. I quite like yoga. I really like swimming. I really like dancing. I love the theatre. I love the cinema. I love going out. I enjoy travelling. I don't like pubs. I don't like noisy bars. I don't like nightclubs. I hate shopping. I can't stand football. I'm interested in photography. I'm interested in history. I'm interested in languages. I read a lot. Have you read any good books lately? Have you seen any good films recently? Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football. Yes, I play tennis. Yes, I play golf. I'm a member of a gym. No, I'm not particularly sporty. I like watching football. Which team do you support? I support Manchester United. I support Chelsea. I'm not interested in football. Do you play any instruments? Do you play any instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. Yes, I play the guitar. Yes, I've played the piano for 5 years. Yes, I've played the piano for 5 years. I'm learning to play the violin. I'm learning to play the violin. I'm in a band. I'm in a band. What sort of music do you like? What sort of music do you listen to? Pop, rock, dance, classical. Anything really. Lots of different stuff. Have you got any favourite bands?